Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am introducing classic elegant blouses. This timeless blouse is designed to bring effortless showcase to your everyday form of wardrobe. Crafted from soft breathable fabric, it offers smooth texture that feels gentle on the skin while maintaining a polished appearance. The tailored silhouette enhances your natural shape without feeling restrictive, making it ideal for long hours of wear, subtle detailing along the neckline curves and a refined touch, allowing the blouse to transition seamlessly from office meetings to evening gatherings. Pair it with the tailored trousers, skirts, or denim for versatile and graceful look. Modern chic statement blouses, a perfect blend of contemporary style and comfort. This blouse made for women who love refined fashion with a modern twist. The flattering fabric drapes beautifully, creating a flattering fit for all body types. Carefully designed stitching and elegant accent give it stand-out appeal without overpowering the overall look. Whether worn tucked in, left or loose, this blouse adds an instant touch for confident style. Ideal for casual outings, workwear, or semi-formal events, it effortlessly elevates any outfit. Soft luxury everyday blouses. This soft luxury everyday blouses refined everyday wear with this luxurious feel and graceful design made from high-quality lightweight fabric. It ensures maximum comfort while maintaining a sophisticated appearance. Relaxed yet structured cut allow ease of movement, making it perfect for daily wear. Thoughtful details such as smooth neckline, defined sleeves, and clean finishing enhance its premium look. Style it with jeans for casual day or dress up with statement accessories for a polished finish. Graceful feminine blouse. Designed with elegance in mind, this blouse highlights soft femininity throughout its delicate design and flattering fit. The fabric flows gently, creating a graceful silhouette that complements your figure beautifully. Subtle decorative element add charm without compromising comfort. This blouse is perfect for brunches, office wear, and special occasion, offering a refined look that feels as good as it looks. It pairs effortlessly with skirts, trousers, layered under jacket for chic symbol. Versatile premium blouse, a must-have staple for every modern wardrobe. This versatile blouse combines style, comfort, and durability. The premium style ensure long-lasting wear while retaining its shape and elegance. Its minimalistic design make it easy to style in multiple ways, from professional setting to casual outing. The flattering cut and refined silhouette create a stylish, clean, sophisticated look suitable for all season wear. Whether worn alone or layered, this blouse adapts effortlessly to your professional personal style. Timeless elegance blouses elevate your wardrobe with these timeless elegance blouses designed for women who value sophisticated and subtle luxury, crafted from premium breathable fabric. It feels incredibly soft against the skin while maintaining a structure throughout the day. The blouse features tailored silhouette that gently drapes a torso, offering a flattering fit without compromising comfort. Elegant neckline detailing and delicately finished curve provide a refined polished touch perfect for both professional and social settings. Whether you pair it with high-waisted trouser, midi-skirt, or denim jeans, this blouse adapts seamlessly to every occasion. Its versatile color petals ensure its complement your existing wardrobe essential. Effortlessly lightweight fabric drapes gracefully creating a moment and flow that enhance your natural voice, ideal for office meetings, evening dinners, or daytime outings. This blouse combines styles, comfort, and functionality into the timeless piece. Modern chic statement blouses step into effortless style with modern chic statement blouses, a piece that blends contemporary design with practical comfort. Flowing high quality material drapes beautifully on the body types create a flattering and stylish look. Carefully stitched seam, subtle pleats, and refined accents make this blouse a true standout, perfect for women who love understated elegance with a modern twist. This blouse designed to be worn tucked with loose or giving a multiple styling option for work, casual outing, semi-formal events. It's versatile silhouette allowing layering under jacket, cardigan, making it ideal for cooler days or transition seasons. Lightweight yet durable, this blouse maintains its shape after repeated wear. Pair it with the tailored pants, flowing skirt or sleek leggings for a look that execute confident sophistication and effortless chic. Soft luxury everyday blouses discover the perfect blend of comfort refinement with these soft luxury everyday blouses. Made from high quality breathable fabric, it ensures all the comfort while maintaining a polished professional look and maintaining a professional appearance. The relaxed yet structured cut allow for natural movement, making it ideal for long hours of wear and events or casual gatherings. Subtle design element like smooth necklines, delicate buttons, and neatly finished hems elevate its aesthetic, giving a sense of luxury in everyday wear. The blouse natural tone and classic design make it a versatile choice for layering, wearing alone, pair it with jeans for a relaxed daytime look or trouser and heels for professional elegance, soft and durable texture, stylish. This blouse is designed to become a wardrobe staple. You can rely on the four season to come. Graceful feminine blouse exude charm and sophistication with this graceful feminine blouse, a design that highlight delicate femininity while offering practicality. Versatility, the flowing fabric drapes gently on the skin, create a flattering silhouette, while subtle decorative detail enhance visual appeal without compromising comfort. This blouse transitions seasonally from daytime brunches to office setting or evening events, making it a truly versatile essential that suit all body types. Wear it with the skirts, tailored trouser, pants, or layered blazer for chic elevated symbols. Ideal for women who want elegance, comfort, and style in one harmonious design. Versatile premium blouse. This versatile premium blouse is designed for modern women who value both functionality and fashion. Made from premium, long-lasting fabric, it holds its shape and elegance even after multiple wear and washes. Minimalistic design and classic line allow for endless styling possibilities, whether for casual, professional, semi-formal occasion. This blouse is lightweight, breathable, and smooth to touch, ensuring all-day comfort without sacrificing style. The flat cut emphasizes your natural shape while maintaining an effortlessly chic look. Pair it with denim or casual showcation. Trouser for office polish or skirt for elegant evening wear. Its timeless aesthetic ensure it remain wardrobe staple for a season to come. Timeless elegance blouses, classic showcation blouses, effortless refinement tops step into a world of refinement fashion. With this timeless elegance blouse, a masterpiece that classic design and thoughtful craftsmanship retail has been carefully considered, from soft breathable fabric that glides smoothly over the skin to the precision tailored seams that flatter every body type. This lightly structured silhouette allow for movement while maintaining a polished professional look that exudes confidence. This blouse features a graceful neckline, delicately finished cuffs, and subtle stitching essence, creating understanding luxury without overpowering. Your symbols design seamlessly adapts to multiple occasions. Wear it up into high-waisted trouser for office elegance. Wear it with the pleated skirt for afternoon tea or style with the denim for casual showcation. The fabric choice ensure comfort throughout long days. While the flowing cut enhances your natural posture, layer it with under blazer for formal business meeting or wear it alone with a statement jewelry or evening gatherings. This blouse embodies versatility, style, and timeless charm, making it a cornerstone piece in any wardrobe. Premium breathable fabric with soft luxurious feel, tailored silhouette for flattering fit, subtle detailing along neckline cuffs. Ideal for office, casual, and semi-formal events. Effortlessly paired with trousers, skirts, or jeans. Modern chic statement blouses, contemporary flow top, effortless fashion blouses. Make a bold yet sophisticated impression with the modern chic statement blouses. A design that effortlessly merges contemporary flair with the variable comfort. The flowing, lightweight fabric drapes elegantly across the body, offering a flattering shape for all figure. Accents such as delicate pleats, subtle gathers as statement sleeves elevate the piece, creating a look that is polished yet fashion forward, perfect for multiple occasions. This blouse can be worn tucked into the tailored pant for work, paired with this skirt for brunch or style over leggings for a relaxed yet stylish vibe. The versatility of this design ensure it transition effortlessly from day to night, combining practicality with this style. Its soft and durable fabric maintains its shape and comfort throughout the day, making it suitable for both long office hours and casual evening. Elegant flowing fabric with excellent drape, modern design excellent for subtle statement, flattering cut for all body type, versatile styling options for day to night wear, comfortable yet polished, perfect layering. Soft luxury everyday blouses, effortless comfort top, refined casual blouses. These soft luxury everyday blouses define daily elegance, combining comfort, style, and touch of sophistication. Made from high quality breathable material, it moves with your body, providing a gentle, weightless feel. The relaxed yet structured cut makes it suitable for long wear, while the refined finish details smooth hems, understanded button, and subtle stitching lend a premium look. Ideal for layering, this blouse can be worn over jeans for relaxed daytime style, under blazer for professional polish, or with skirt for casual chic events. Its versatile design ensures that it pairs effortlessly with accessories like scarves, statement necklaces, or delicate earrings, allowing you to express your personal style. Effortlessly timeless color patterns complement your wardrobe, making it a reliable choice for multiple seasons. Luxuriously soft and breathable fabric, relaxed but structure cut for everyday wear. Subtle design detail for premium finish, perfect for layering and standalone styling, matches a wide range of bottoms and accessories. Graceful feminine blouse, elegant charm top, delicate drape blouses Embrace femininity with the graceful feminine blouse, a design that celebrates soft lines, flowing fabrics, and versatile elegance. The gentle drape of the fabric create a flattering silhouette that moves beautifully with your body, while refined decorative touches, delicate trims, soft pleats, and tastefully designed sleeves enhance its charm. The blouse is suitable for a variety of occasions, from brunches and office meetings to evening receptions. Style it with tailored pants and heels for professional guests, paired with these skirts for gathering or layered with the jacket for cardigan collar days. Its luxurious texture and thoughtful construction ensure comfort while maintaining a sophisticated look. Flowing soft fabric and flattering silhouette, subtle feminine details for added elegance, multi-occasion versatility, comfortable and refined design, ideal for pairing with skirts, pants, or layered outfits. Versatile premium blouse, wardrobe essential, top chic everyday blouses. The versatile premium blouse are wardrobe essential that combine timeless design, luxury fabric, and practicality versatility crafted from premium material. It offers smooth texture, durability, and comfort, ensuring it remains favorite for years. The minimalistic design emphasizes elegance and allow endless styling options from casual to professional semi-formal settings. The blouse lightweight construction and tailored cut flatter the figure while providing unrestricted movement. Pair it with denim, casual or showcation, trouser for office-ready elegance, or skirt for evening charm. Its simple refined silhouette ensures complement any outfit for accessory combination, making it a true staple piece for all seasons. High quality, durable, and soft fabric, flattering tailored fit. Minimalistic design for endless styling option, comfortable for all day wear, effortlessly pairs with multiple wardrobe staples, fabric and texture storing. Step into a wardrobe staples that execute timeless grace and trendy luxury with the timeless elegance. Blouse is crafted from premium breathable fabric. This blouse feels soft against the skin while maintaining a refined structure that enhances your natural shape. The slightly tailored silhouette and designed to flatter a wide range of body types, offering both elegance and comfort throughout workdays, casual outing, or evening events. The delicately finished neckline, tastefully designed curves, and subtle stitch detailing speaks to a level of craftsmanship rarely foundation in average tops. Its flowing yet structured design ensures that it's more graceful with each step, making it perfect for office presentation, business lunches, or casual coffee dates. Layer it with under blazers for a polished professional look, or wear it alone with this statement jewelry for a chic evening symbols. With its versatile color petals, the blouse pairs effortlessly with the everything from tailored trouser to midi skirt or sleek denim. Its lightweight, breathable fabric allow year-round wear, but while its clean finishing details make it a piece that stands out without overpowering your overall outfit. The timeless elegance blouse is not just a top; it is a wardrobe investment, a piece that elevates any outfit and transitions seamlessly across season and occasion. Tuck into high waistband for office occasion, pair it with pleated A-line skirt for a soft feminine vibe, accessories with the delicate jewelry for daytime, or bold statement pieces for evening. Layer under jacket, cardigan for cooler months. Designed for women who embrace modern elegance with a touch of individuality, the modern chic statement blouse combines fashion-forward details with timeless variability. The flowing, high-quality fabric contours of the body while creating effortless flattering silhouette. Delicate pleats, subtle gathers, and tastefully designed sleeves add visual interest and make this blouse a true standout piece. Perfect for a variety of occasions, this blouse transitions seamlessly from professional setting to casual outing, brunches, date, and evening event, where it tucked into tailored trouser for a refined office look, layered over legging for relaxed yet stylish appearance, or paired with this skirt for feminine, playful outfit. Durable yet soft fabric ensure that it remains maintain shape and comfort even after repeated wear, making it both practical and luminous, luxurious. The blouse versatility design allow for endless styling combination, mix and match with the accessory like silk scarf, minimal elastic necklaces, or bold earrings to create different look for each occasion. Its lightweight construction and flowing design make it ideal for year-round wear, while subtle detailing elevates above ordinary tops. This blouse is a celebration of modern elegance, comfort, and versatility, perfect for women who want to style that speaks without shootings. Tuck into high waist trouser for office meeting, pair with skirt for brunch date. Night wear loose over legging for chic weekend outfit. Layered under structured jacket for added sophistication. The soft luxury everyday blouse is perfect for combination of comfort, refinement, and everyday elegance. Its lightweight, breathable fabric feels soft against the skin while offering structured yet relaxed fit that moves naturally with your body. The blouse design prioritizes both style and functionality, making it ideal for busy mornings, casual afternoons, and professional settings where comfort and elegance equally important. Subtle design features like smooth necklaces and delicate button and refined hems elevate its look, giving a sense of luxury in everyday wear. Its neutral and timeless color petals ensure compatibility with a wide range of outfits, while the versatility cut allow for multiple styling options. Pair it with jeans for a relaxed yet polished look, or wear it with a tailored trouser for an office-ready appearance. Layer under jacket for cardigan for added warmth and styling during cooler months. This blouse refined design make it suitable for multiple seasons where the soft texture and breathable fabric keep you comfortable in warmer weather, while its ability to layer easily ensures it stays relevant in fall and winter wardrobes. Its piece that effortlessly balance comfort, style, and showcation, making it must-have for any wardrobe. Paired with jeans for chinos for casual daytime wear, layer under blazer or jacket for office setting, add statement jewelry for an elegant touch for evening wear. Mixed with this skirt and trouser for versatile everyday style, celebrate soft feminine elegance with this graceful feminine blouse designed for highlight gentle draping, subtle pleat, and refined finishing. The blouse flowing fabric create a flattering silhouette that moves graceful with each step while understanding decorative detail and sophistication without overwhelming your look. Perfect for brunches, office wear, or evening event, this blouse combines style, comfort, and versatility. Its luxurious texture and lightweight construction ensure comfort during long days, while design elements like softly gathered sleeves and smooth finishes elevate aesthetic. Wear it tucked into skirt for a polished appearance or layering under jackets for professional elegance, neutral tones, and timeless designer to integrate seamlessly into any wardrobe. While versatility styling option let you experiment with the layering accessories and footwear, pair it with the A-line skirt for soft feminine silhouette. Wear under blazer for professional elegance, accessories with delicate earring for bold statement pieces combined with tailored pants for a balanced chic outfit. This versatile premium blouse is the ultimate wardrobe essential, combining timeless design, high quality fabric, and unmatched versatility. Its smooth fabric, durable material ensure long-lasting wear while offering a soft, luxurious feel. Minimalistic and refined, the blouse provide endless styling possibilities, formal business meeting or semi-formal events. Flatting cut, lightweight design, and clean finishes make it a piece that enhances your natural shape while maintaining elegance. Paired with denim for casual showcation, trouser for office-ready polish, or skirt for evening refinement. Layer it with effortlessly styled whether under blazer, cardigan, or coat, ensuring the blouse adapts to changing season and occasion. The blouse is more than just a clothing; it is a statement of practical luxury. Its minimalistic design allows it to shine when accessorized with scarves, jewelry, or belts, while the high-quality fabric ensures comfort, durability, and versatility. Premium blouse is a true multi-stacker in your wardrobe, combining style, functionality, and effortlessly elegance for any woman who value quality and versatility. Paired with tailored pant for professional look, combined with this skirt for a even for an evening occasion, accessories for casual formal vibe, layer for seasonal occasions. Discover a wardrobe centerpiece that is equal parts sophistication, versatility, and luxury. The timeless elegance blouse designed for modern women who value style, comfort, and refinement. This blouse crafted from premium breathable fabric that glides softly over the skin while maintaining a polished texture. Every stitch and seams is carefully placed to enhance your natural silhouette, providing a flattering tailored fit that adapts effortlessly for all body types. The blouse features a graceful neckline, neither too high or not too low, designed to draw attention without overpowering your ensemble. Delicate curves, subtle pleats, and meticulously finished hems elevate its aesthetic, turning a simple blouse into a statement of quick luxury. The fabric weightless drape allow for movement that is both cute and elegant, making it suitable for office hours, casual lunches, evening dinner, or weekend outing. Its versatile color petals ensures pair beautifully with any wardrobe piece. From tailored trouser and flowing skirts to denim jeans and chic shorts, color and style, the blouse is designed for practical comfort, lightweight and breathable. It keeps you feeling cold during warmer months while allowing for easy layering with jacket, cardigan, or coat during cooler season. Its durable construction ensures that even with the repeated wear and washes, the blouse retains its shape. Softness is impeccable. Office elegance tucked into high waist, tailored pant, and minimalistic jewelry for a slip on pointed toe heels for a polished look. Pair it with dark denim ankle length trouser and layer with a lightweight scarf for statement bag. Evening glamour wear with a slick skirt while layering under structured blazer or log-line cardigans make it perfect for fall and winter. The timeless elegance blouse more than just a piece clothing, it a wardrobe investment. Its refined construction, luxurious feel, and versatile design make it ideal for women who seeking effortless showcation. Transform your outfit from ordinary to polished, from casual to elegant, from everyday wear to special occasion. In a sense, it is style, comfort, and confident, all wrapped into a single blouse. Crafted from premium lightweight woven fabric with a smooth, luxurious texture, structured relaxed fit suitable for multi-body types, subtle detailing, delicate pleats, soft curves, and polished finishing. Versatile styling for office casual, semi-formal, and evening occasion. Effortlessly layering with jacket, cardigan, or coats for seasonal adaptability. Long-lasting durability that retain color, shape, and softness over time. This blouse amplifies timeless design, everyday luxury, and effortlessly elegance, making not just a wardrobe piece but a statement of style, confidence, taste. Pair it with your favorite trousers, skirts, denim accessories that speaks to your personal style and embrace a look that is versatile, comfortable, and eternally chic. Multiple title for blouses, full storytelling from the moment you put in on how it feel, move, and transform your look, fabric, and texture. Thank you for watching my video.